there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and this right here is my key set. Now there's a lot going on here. I got a lot of cute keychains, my wallet, all the jazz, but the one item that I will not leave the house without, I recommend you don't either, is this item right here. This is the Plegium pepper spray device. This is the Genius device. They're mini pepper spray, and I love it for a variety of different reasons. The first one is this magnetic clip right here. It is a nice heavy duty magnet, so it's not going anywhere. Your device is staying on your keys. But if in any circumstance you need to really quickly remove this from your keys and all you can reach is this, you can just quickly grab it and use it if need be. So basically, the biggest part of why this is like such an incredible device is that it actually works with your phone. So you set your device up to the Plegium app, and from that app you add in your emergency contacts, so they will be alerted if this device is ever activated. If you ever discharge it, everyone in that list will know. Not only that, but there's also a 24/7 hotline with the Plegium app. So that will make sure that if authorities need to be alerted, they will definitely be alerted, if not automatically, by that 24/7 hotline. I truly cannot recommend this device enough to anyone who feels like they need to protect their safety, which at this point is a lot of us. It's a little bit doom and gloom, but you can never be too careful, and I really, really recommend this one if you're looking for a pepper spray that is going to do so much more than just protect you physically. Speaking of protecting you physically, of course, this is pepper spray. So it shoots a 10 feet stream, which is amazing because say it's a windy night, you don't want to get that spray in your own eyes. So I like that it is a stream and not a spray. I just love this product so very much. I cannot speak more good things about it. I highly recommend that you look into it, see if it's right for you, and that is my point of view.